When I got furloughed, I wanted to see what I can do to help. I couldn't just sit idle, and I wanted to try to help and give back any way I could.
Jerry was not going to sit by and let an opportunity go to waste where he could help. He knew that the part of the country that he lives in, where his family and friends all live, at that time was a hot spot. So courageously, he took action.
Where we're at today, I think everybody that can help out one another is a good positive thing. And I think our company is one to do that.
He came to the Red Cross in April, as was mentioned, to volunteer his services as a transportation specialist. Jerry volunteered at all hours of the day and night to deliver recently collected blood to be manufactured, labeled, tested, and distributed to patients in need. And since that time, Jerry's hugged over 130 volunteer hours. And he also traveled to our Red Cross manufacturing facility, which was all the way in Philadelphia.
That donation site is actually like 104 miles away from us, from our Philadelphia location. So it was very challenging for us to recruit somebody in that area to bring the blood to us.
We brought Jerry back to work as soon as we could, and we're thrilled to have him back doing what he does so well. That does not stop him from continuing to volunteer, both his time personally and his blood.
So I nominated Jerry for this award because I really, truly feel that he put his heart and soul into his service with the Red Cross. There's so many things going on, so much uncertainty with the world and the pandemic and what it meant, but he decided there was something he could do to help.
The American Red Cross is so grateful to you, Jerry, for the compassion and dedication you've shown. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for all you've done for so many. You're truly an inspiration to me and to us all. And I just want to take the time today to thank you.
I'm glad I was able to give back and help in the situation that we're all in today. So thank you.
Jerry, listen, I want to tell you how proud we are of the work that you've done, the life-saving work you've done for the Red Cross and continue to do. And I'll tell you what was most moving for us was knowing that you, in the middle of this pandemic, stepped up when everybody was really struggling with, where this thing was going to go and how dangerous it was. And you stepped up and really made a huge difference for the folks in your community, even during a time when we were furloughed. I think that is such a selfless example and role model for all of us at Ryder. So I'm here to tell you that because of that and the great example that you've created for so many of us, you are the winner of this year's 2020 Driven to Give Award. So I got the beautiful trophy here that is going to be sent to you that you'll be able to display it.
Yeah, I'm a loss for words here, but thank you so much for everyone and the support of, like I said, I can't think enough about Ryder and all the support it's given me throughout the years, the 39 years. It's a great company to work for, and I'm really proud of it. And I'm really proud that I was able to help the Red Cross. And what a great institution. It's so big, and everybody is just so kind. So that's all I can't say that enough.
As I think we look back during these difficult times and say, who are the people that really stepped up and made a difference in their community? And Jerry, you're a shining example of that. So thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Thanks again, everyone. I'm overwhelmed. And that's all I can say is this. Thank you. Thank you so much.
All right. Well, Jerry, I'm going to put this back in the box and it's on the way to your house. Okay.
All right. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.